Alright, little POV. Trying to drive to the PYC track in Fanling. There is no more phone number available on their Facebook page, and their Google phone number on Google Map is an unexistent one. So, having nothing at all to do today, and being a pretty cool day, I charged my batteries, and I'm gonna go there and see anyway if it's open or not. So, I'm going to keep going. It's about 20 minutes away from where I am now, and I will update you when I get there to see what kind of a waste of time this was. Alright, see you in a second. That out. 100. So if you don't live here and you don't drive here, you have no idea how slow the roads are. The average is 70 on fast ways. Some portions are 80, but sometimes they allow you to drive 100, and that feels amazing. I can launch this Prius to its limit. I think there is 110 on the slight portion of highway to the airport, which is the maximum allowed here. So, I just thought I shared this ridiculous little fact about living here. Alright, see you in a bit. Hey, it's me reporting behind the slowest drivers on the fastest highway the world has ever known. Alright, you know what? I'm not 100% sure why people are logging onto my channel, but I really appreciate the people who subscribe and follow. And as I don't know why you're here, I'm gonna show you why I'm where I am. This is the new territories in Hong Kong. It's a part that you seldom see. You always see Hong Kong as the big skyscraper, Hong Kong Island, and you know, it is way more than that. Most of Hong Kong, you can see actually behind the little building sticking behind the mountain, that's Shenzhen, China. The new territories are basically at the frontier with China. Is the northern territories. It's where about 70% of the people here live. It is home to the second most densely populated area on Earth, which is where I live. The first one is in the Kowloon side, not the actual island that is less populated. And so I thought that was a view that people seldom have of the place, where you just see mountains and trees and village houses and people with a lot less cash that you see when you're in the city. Like, people actually drive old Corollas here, which is great. And yeah, so I thought I'll take you along for a ride. I'm about 10 minutes away from my location. I'm going to take the slower way to get there because it's a bit of a weird place to get to from the roads. And so in the meantime, you can enjoy a little bit with my head shaking around of whatever the heck is around here. Pretty luxury villas over there, pretty poor shantytown on the other side, and a forest of building right in front over there. And of course, yeah, speed control. This is the, the city of speed control, but it's a great place. The new territories are actually fairly relaxed place to live compared to the rest of the city. People live, you know, in what I call village house. Of course, there is no such thing as a place where you live by yourself. A village house is a 3-story building with 3 flats, but that's a village house for here. And that is about the best, in my opinion, the best living you can get in here. You can have a rooftop or a balcony or both if you're lucky, like we are where we live. And this is my exit, so I'm gonna go up there. And so yeah, that's what the new territories look like. It's fairly empty, and then you get near the MTR stations and it's fairly packed with concrete forests. Again, this is the Fanling area for anybody who's interested, and I'm going to stop my geographic tour to focus on my driving because it's very unsafe what I'm doing right now, and I'm a very safe person. So I will report back once I get near the track, so you can see a little bit how is the track entrance and so on over there. All right, bye-bye. Right, we're getting there. Big little temple, city of Fanling, have escaped the highway, and we are now driving to our final destination. This way you'll have another look at what new territory life looks like in Hong Kong. I hope I'm not going there for nothing. That's the one thing. In the meantime, what else am I going to do? You know? Stay home, work, come on. Right, I'm always the first at the red light because I'm the only one not looking at my phone when my car is stopped. People have the disease of being completely unable to wait for two minutes here at the red light. Alright, we're getting to the bridge. Alright, well, here they're always doing work, so let's not fuck up our way to the track here. Should I be on the left? Should I be on the right? Where should I be? I don't know. This tells me Fanling and the other side tells me Fanling, so I guess I'm on the right way. Right, we are passing the final bridge, and then there's going to be a weird exit on the side of the road for the track that is down here. Alright, this is the way to the track. The taxi behind me might crash my car, but it didn't. Awesome! Alright, here we are. Bamboo Depot. You want to build a skyscraper? Bamboo. Be careful, Dougie. I don't want to kill you.
Next left, then turn right.
Another Dougie. I don't want to kill you either. Beautiful industry. It's a pretty weird place here for a track, but that's where it is. And I like it. Alright. I should be going down here. The gate is open, which is a good first sign. I've arrived. I know I've arrived. The question is, now that I've arrived, can I play? And they are people. They are people, my friend. I think I can play. Hooray! Hooray! Hallelujah! Hail Jesus! Hail Satan!